Here's a 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In the face of the most challenging terrain, this Alfa Romeo stands tall. Stelvio is a high-performance SUV with the heart and soul of a hero. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather bucket seats, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The boldly innovative Alfa Romeo. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.